fresh tomatillo salsa. Let's go. If you've been following me, you know that I've been growing tomatillos in my garden. And now it's time to turn them into salsa. I start off by heating up some oil in a pan, and then I fry a whole jalapeno, a quartered onion, and some garlic. I let that cook and then I add in my tomatillos. I always score them just so they don't explode. I also do the same thing for tomatoes if I'm ever cooking them this way. I also added some coriander seeds because I don't have any fresh cilantro. I'm frying them in the same oil just to open them up a little bit. And then I start tossing it all into the blender along with the onions and garlic. At this stage I add in some salt and whole black peppercorns. Let's add a splash of water and blend. This is kind of a chunky salsa, so it's never going to be smooth. However, I just want to make sure that all the big pieces are broken up. And then I finish it off with a squeeze of lime. Now to store it, I've taken an old jar that I've sterilized with boiling hot water and I'm going to just pour it right in. You can use this salsa for pretty much whatever you want. However, one of my favorite ways of using it is by putting in a good spoonful into a quesadilla. I really enjoyed growing my tomatillo plants and just watching them grow from little seedlings. I wasn't sure how they would fare in the UK weather, however, they did pretty good, and I'm really excited to grow some more. That way, I could always have